This is the Blackstone G5 foldable gaming wireless headset. It supports the following platforms. It has a folding design and a dual ENC or electronic noise cancellation detachable microphone with HD voice. It weighs a mere 245 grams, which is very comfortable for gamers, and has got an ultra low latency of 45 milliseconds. The headset design features over-ear solid ear muff and has a 8-section metal arm adjustment. So we're going to unbox this and set it up. Removing all the items from the box, this is what you have. It has got the user instructions, the warranty card, a 3.5mm audio cable, a USB-C charging cable, the detachable microphone, and of course the Blackstone G5 wireless headphones. So let us take a look at the headset itself. So this is the left, as indicated by L, and this is the right. You'll notice that it has got 8-section metal arm, where you can extend the headset, and it is foldable, making it very easy for keeping when not in use. Now on the left, you can see that it has got 3 buttons. Let's power it on. Power on by pressing and holding onto the power button. You will hear a tone when it's power on. The 3 buttons are volume up, the power button, as well as the volume down button. And over here you can see that is where you put your USB-C charging cable. And then the first port is the audio cable, and the last port is for the detachable microphone. So these ear muffs are pretty soft, so it should be fairly comfortable when in use. There are no buttons on the right headphone, and once at first power up, you can see that it is blinking blue and red, indicating that it is in the setup mode. So next, we will show you how to pair this pair of headphones to your phone. We will now show you how to pair the Blackstone G5 to your Android phone. So let's go to Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth. You can see the device has found the headphones. BT, select that. At the Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. Your headphone is now paired to your phone, and you can see that the LED is just blinking blue on the headphone itself. Next, we will show you how to use the headphone for music playback. Now to start the music playback, press on the multifunction button or the power button once. To go to the next song, press on the volume down or minus button. To go to the previous song, press on the volume up or plus button. course, the volume up and volume button can be used to increase or decrease the volume simply by pressing and holding on the button. To increase, or for the volume down, press and hold to decrease the volume. So this is a very quick set of instructions for music playback. Let's stop the music. Now, in this state, if you are in a gaming mode, you can actually press on the power button twice, and that will turn on the latency mode to turn it on or off. To turn it off, press on the power button twice. Finally, we will show you how to answer and hang up calls using the headphone itself. For incoming calls, to answer, simply press on the power button on the MFB button. Press once. To hang up, simply press once on the MFB button. So this is a quick overview of the Plextone G5 headphones. We have shown you the unboxing, its inbox contents, how to pair it with your Android phone, how to play music, set the latency modes, as well as answer and hang up calls.